Hello guys, this is me again and today is very special day because I wanna tell you something about myself and about my order to learning English. This is very special thing I do in my case. So first of all, let me show you how to I speak English and where I learn English and where platform is best for learning English. So basically, I wanna tell you something that first thing is I have no partner of learning English, and second thing is I I have never joined any a class, tuition, and institutes of learning English and for learning English. So I learn English at home and at shop. So how did I learn English and how did I management of learning English process and time limit? So first thing that one thing I still remember one thing that when I scroll my Instagram reel, so I saw one person told everyone why you waste your time and why you waste your data and internet, and instead of you you wanna be a fluent speaker English if you using that app. So that app name is Siri, but this is very challenge of me because I'm totally not understand in English, and actually I'm very struggle of learning English. So English as a my second language. English is not my first language. So that thing I remember. So I'm not install that app. Instead of I using English video, that is very helpful for me. And second thing I do reading postcard and no, I reading newspaper and I reading. I want to clear one thing. If you have passionate of learning English and you have any kind of motivation for learning English, so this is very good uh, method and weapon of learning English and tool anything kind you call that. So as a you beginner and as a you intermediate and as a you advanced level whatever you have. So first thing, if you do learning English and you want to be learn English at YouTube and at any kind of channel and at any kind of platform, I learn English at YouTube. So you just continue, you do anything and without taking anybody uh tip and anybody postcard like thing, anything motivation. Don't give up your process, and process is very good for learning English, and you can enjoy every moment of your process and tell them all of person who speak English better than you just watching and watching consume all of material from YouTube channel, and where you got material anything just like that. And if you using at Instagram channel, so you can comment in English. So that happen that happen you can improve your typing and writing skill. And when you record yourself, and that is very good method. Everyone beginner as a I am beginner and I am intermediate, so I record myself. So you also you can record your voice, and after you listen, if you make mistake in English, so you just check out your record your video, and where you make mistake you need to improve your mistake and correct your mistake and fix your mistake. That is very good method of learning English. And all of method, that is one great method of learning English. So you just check out your process and skill where you make mistake and improve your skill. And also you can shadow technique I used to when I beginner, and I was a start learning English, so I crack myself full and record myself. And also I used to shadow technique, and that is very good helpful technique. And you can use choose one person who you like and speak uh, speak like that and copy them. And before start your shadow technique, you just listen a person who speak English and pause the video and then repeat what they say. This is very good method. And if you not understand what is going on, so you can turn off the subtitle method and read subtitle, then speak out loud and speak clear. It is very good method. I also use it, this method and this technique. Shadowing technique is very good method. I hope you understand my channel. Please subscribe my channel, and I need to support of you. So please watch my video until the end.